Typically, our clients, when they hear the name Kidwell, they think of an electrical company. What we've become over the last 20 years, it's a technology company. Everything from the cabling to the electrical to heating and cooling to really a full data center build out from end to end. There's nothing that we can't do, from security to the actual data equipment that resides within the cabinet.
My name is Eric Moskovich. I work for Altitude Health Services, and we are a nursing home consulting company. We did a renovation project at a third building where we did a complete remodel, and they did everything from the low voltage to a nurse call light system.
We work on very small projects to really large projects. We've taken on some of the largest projects in the Lincoln area.
The majority of our clients are commercial businesses, financial, educational, healthcare,
Construction, so pretty much every vertical out there.
My name is Kyle Peters. I'm a systems administrator for the Salvation Army. Kidwell really met with us and came to get a look at the scope of our project and understand it, and kind of as we got the ball rolling with them, we just found all the more things that they could do for us.
Initially, our goal is to build an understanding of what their challenges are, and then try to bring in certified engineers that can talk about how technology can assist them with those challenges. If they're looking to expand, if they're looking to go a new direction, we try to be consultative and look at how we can provide solutions. We've created different groups that support different technology areas. We've got our IT division, we also have our low voltage special systems group, as well as our phone system group. It allows those engineers to get very, very specialized in that technology. Those groups come together to provide the overall solution for our clients.
My name's Kyle Stewart, and I'm a systems administrator for York General Healthcare Services. We chose Kidwell because they proposed a great feature-rich solution that solved all of our problems, and even some things that we hadn't thought about that would make us more efficient.
The reason why customers prefer to come to Kidwell is because we have a great reputation within our community.
we have Bixby technicians, installers, and then we are also certified on the products themselves.
We have the equipment to handle both large and small projects. We have focused a lot of our time with our safety program to make sure that our staff is properly educated.
So we kind of do a different step. Instead of just being manufacturer certified, we're industry certified, so we know all the product lines and their best practices.
And our number one reason is because we are very competitive on our price with a high quality of work.
My name is Bob Hayden. I'm the ITS Director of Technical Services for Madonna Rehabilitation Hospital. Kidwell listened to us the most, adapted to what we were needing, what we could afford. Everything has the capability to be in a high availability configuration, so there's redundant equipment, redundant paths, redundant connections to the servers. Any one system or server was not down for more than 2 to 4 hours.
What's unique about Kidwell is that we have our own in-house design team. It can help our customers saving time and money.
We look at all the projects we do as kind of a work of art. I mean, you don't see the cabling above the ceiling pads, but the facilities manager does, and they can all attest everything's nicely organized, supported every 4 to 5 foot, all nice and neat, so when anybody comes into that data closet, they can look at it and identify what's going where and what that cable's use is for.
My name is John Jacobson. I'm CEO of Universal Cold Storage and Universal Pasteurization in Lincoln, Nebraska. It became obvious that we needed a company that had the depth and the resources to handle those problems. We approached Kidwell. They said they could do it, and they've done it. Once they got inside the building, they have done so much work in both of the warehouses that it's just a natural to stay with them.
Everything that we do is provided over an IP-based network, so it's easy for our clients to manage. It simplifies the design of the solution. Typically our clients already have an IP-based network, and so deploying these solutions is very easy. Also, it allows them some newer and more unique features like mobility, as an example.
Upon completion of the projects, everything's terminated, tested, labeled. We send out the test results of everything that we had done. We also typically update like a CAD drawing or PDF drawing to depict all the cabling locations and show the labels. So we get a lot of comments of if we have hired Kidwell from the start, we have saved a lot of headache, a lot of downtime, a lot of troubleshooting time to have it labeled, tested right the first time.
Kidwell has been a great company to work with. They are with us from the beginning of our project to the end.
We've really appreciated Kidwell's accessibility. They have an Omaha office as well as a Lincoln one, so whenever we call, there's somebody there that's answering it.
And that's really ultimately what we strive for, is to build that symbiotic relationship between the customer and the vendor.
Our CEO, Kent Vipon, has proclaimed on a number of occasions that the ShoreTel implementation is the most successful technology project we've completed in this organization's history.
In fact, contrary to our normal procedures, the last few big jobs, we didn't even ask for a second bid from anyone.
For us, Kidwell kind of exceeded our expectations. What they've installed works, and it works to make our job easier. That's what it's done from day one, and we've just been really happy with their service.
Our ability to provide that true end-to-end solution is really what sets us apart and keeps our clients relying on our technology skills for project after project after project.